It looks so ugly outside. Look, there's a blizzard warning for today. It's supposed to start out raining and then it's supposed to start snowing. Oh, yesterday it was literally almost 80 degrees and I was riding my bike with shorts and a t-shirt and stuff, but not today. Today is one of those days where I absolutely cannot afford to be late. Backpack goes in here. I won't need it today. They gave us free food. I took advantage. This is my lucky #2 pencil. Wish me luck. I'm kidding. I found this on the floor yesterday. Alright, I will see you 3 hours later. Alright, it is now... What the heck? It is now 3 hours later and the test is finished. It was way easier than I thought.
New from Anonymous. About
you gotta make it more obvious apparently. The lucky #2 pencils did work out. Because of these pencils, all my questions were super duper easy. What's up, Amir? How are you?
Good, how are you?
What? Yeah, of course. Now I gotta take this out so I can put my laptop in here. It's like half snowing, half raining outside, I think. This testing room, we like took our test in the gym, and you know that scene from Harry Potter where it's like everyone's in that, it was like exactly like that, except with a lot of rain and thunder, because at first it started raining like as soon as we got in. Logan, what? How do you think was the test?
Awful.
Easy or hard?
Oh, easy, but it was bad.
Brayden,
You're gonna get in trouble if you talk about this in your vlog.
I keep you until you produce, baby.
They literally specifically told us you shouldn't.
Apparently we're not allowed to talk about the test, but the questions were really easy.
You're not allowed to say that either, buddy.
Oh my gosh. How hot is it outside? Wow, it's not even that cold though. What's up, Connor? Zach, how are you guys?
Yo, I'm gonna follow you.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna follow you because I have no.
Oh, okay. I was just going to my math class to get a head start on my edit.
How was your testing, buddy?
Technically, we're not allowed to talk about it legally, but it was very easy and it went perfectly fine.
Okay, alright, bye, buddy.
Alright, see you guys. Hi. What's up, Owen?
How'd you do on the test?
Yo, it was so easy, bro.
Smartest person here.
Thank you, man. Thank you. What's up, bro? You like this weather?
No.
It was literally almost 80 degrees yesterday. Welcome to Colorado, everybody.
I hate this state.
My socks are soaked. This was not the day to wear these types of shoes. Oh, it's so cold. My parents came to the rescue. I just saw them pulling up right here. Yeah. Yeah. That's where you're My brother's school is right over there. Right over there. And my mom's gonna pick him up early, like 20 minutes early. Oh my gosh. Finally home. Look at my hoodie. When I was waiting for the bus stop, like I couldn't even get my phone to work. And then this car just... Yeah. It's like nighttime now. And I finally got my work done. I got my video uploaded. And I finally got this letter in the mail. After the sender has been trying to send this to me for like 3 months. That's like 190 days. First time he tried to send it, I sent him the wrong address. Second time, I don't know what happened. The mail probably messed it up. And then the third time, no. He did try to send it. This is actually, I think, the 4th time he sent it, but I'm so excited for this. It's not money, but it's something even better. Make food, make vlogs, make friends, make progress. Just don't make excuses. Keep it up.
I ruined your video.
Really?
Hey, you can't.
But you just ruined the video so I can put you in. Hope you get this one, Genki. Wait. Oh, it's in here. Ooh, who's this sticker? Okay, so basically, now I know in reality this is just a sticker, but it's about the symbolic meaning behind it that's important, right? Now, I'm gonna introduce you to a new section of the show called Story Time with Abdulaziz. It was back in about 2018 in the summer, in like July or something, when I started watching this YouTuber named Cody Warner. He's this really inspirational YouTuber that got me to start vlogging, and then I was like doing like every other day and like a couple times a week or something. And then one day I saw this sticker on his laptop. I'll try to like find that video exactly so I can show you, like, but I probably can't. But it was like on his laptop, and I saw this, and I really got inspired to start making daily videos, because it says make something every day. There's his little watermark. You should follow him. And then we're in this Discord server. It's called Creators Offline. I didn't even know he was gonna send this sticker. It's so cool. But it's like this Discord server with like me and like a whole bunch of other people that make YouTube videos. And then I found out that he was the one named Genki Hagata, and he is in that group. And then I asked him for a sticker like 4 months ago. And then fast forward to now, I finally got it. I have been waiting. I have been reserving a spot on my laptop to put this sticker. And then you'll say, but Abdulaziz, that sticker is upside down. But here's the thing. This is how my laptop is, right? And then every time I come close to my laptop, I see this sticker that's right side up. This one's upside down, because like this. And then it's gonna inspire me, that's the theory, to make something, to make a video. It's gonna inspire me to start my edit. And then I'm gonna actually get to work. I've been meaning to do this little segment for literally like 5 months now. I think that's a perfect, absolutely perfect end to the vlog here. So excited. Like, I'm super excited. I'm gonna get to work. All right, bye.